Hello everyone. From this week onward, I would like to also teach or tutor real-life physics as a supplement/analogy to game physics. I will also be posting real-life physics video with greater frequency than the game physics, owing to the shortness of each video I make compared to the game physics videos. The most basic of physical motion is known as linear motion, which, as suggested in the title of the term, is motion that exists only along a straight line path. The most basic physical quantity that you can mathematically measure is something known as displacement, which is a measure in the change in position or change in place of an object, which does not take into account the time the change has taken over, only the change between the two positions. You will see this formally stated as d equals p2 minus p1, or sometimes in a shorthand way, d equals delta p, where delta looks like a triangle and is a shorthand way of representing a difference or subtraction. Using my phone as an analogy, from here to here would have a greater displacement than from here to here. As a side note, the study of motion without concern of the causes is called kinematics. Similar to how in the medical professions, the study of the motion of the human body or other living organisms is called kinesiology. The other thing to pay attention to is that displacement is in a direction relative to the source. So for example, a displacement of 5 meters east would start from here and end up here, where a displacement of 5 meters west would do the opposite. It would start here and end up here. Although displacement and distance are used to mean the same exact thing in casual language, the formal scientific definitions are different because displacement is direction specific while distance is not, although they both refer to a change in position relative to a starting point. In my next tutorial video, I will teach the difference between speed and velocity, and how they are dependent on the time as well as the displacement. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see the other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.